a man, a whole man, yaya khona.
Sure.
Angikho. Yaya kuyosho ukuthi uyati ukuthi lo mfana lokumbona emalipsi akhe amnyama. Kathi aqala ukukhotha emagwayegwaye ebantu.
Hayibo.
Ngathi menqhamuka angatisa lo sisi ngithi hayibo. Njani nje?
Uthi kudala waqala ukwenzani?
Kukhotha. Tindvo tebantu labaduna.
Hayibo.
Abafuna ukuthi sifihle.
Okay.
Bafuna ukuthi velele baleni. Kepha ke bakhona laba lebabitwa ngema after 9.
Okay.
Labo bafuna info yabo ibese kukhaceleni. Ifihlakale.
Sure.
Nanoma mhlawumbe mina engathi ngiyavuma. Ngikhonde ebandleni lakilo. Sikwende lokho lena lakuthingako. After meka fike ebandleni ashumayela, utawagqeka vele emagage ngoba nayo ukulesimo. So angeke vele umuntu agqeke info langekho kuyo. Ngimbonile kimahamba nami kuphi na kuphi.
Ufaka amaqobo.
Yebo. Ngiwafakile nanoma nesketi ngisifakile esihuma senda nje. Ngisho ukuthi hayi umhlengi uyaphila nakuse ngaphila.
Sure. Uma sibulala saphelele sonke. Mfowethu, dadwethu, amehla akagcwele inyembezi. Amevo ohlangabezene nawo empilweni, ahlabile wafinyelela enhlizweni. Miningi imibuzo onayo engqondweni. Bona usaphilelani emhlabeni. Imihla namalanga kuvela okubi esigebeni. Labo bathembile baphelele emathuneni. Inkingo onazo siphunyukile esifubeni. Akekho ongasezweni. Uthulele bezidla ngaze ematafuleni. Ubukholwa kodwa kusathandazeki. Ngisho nesenkonzweni usile kodwa kusakhonzeki. Ngisho isimo sakho asabhekeki. Ithemba ubunalo lihlakazekile. Imicabango yakho iphazamisekile. Amaphupho akho adukile. Usuphila impilo ongayithandile. Imisamo yonke uyivakashelile. Imali igcina iphelile kodwa akukho kulungile. Greetings bafethu ngiyabingelela lapho emakhaya. Welcome la ekhaya ku Gifted Media TV. You know I'm always booming with the boom content. Igama nguGift Mabunda. Your favorite one. If not yet your favorite, please make sure you click the button and subscribe. Buffet, thank you so much for the support that you're always showing to us as Gifted Media TV, Facebook family. We really appreciate for your following every single day and also making sure you watch our content, you share our content, you comment on the comment section. Also, same with TikTok. We really, guys, appreciate. And guys, you know, like I Gifted Media TV, we are booming with the boom content. If you want videograph services, please make sure you engage to us. Any type of videograph services, we are available as Gifted Media TV. You can engage to our WhatsApp 0630-680-959. And also, if you want to be our precious guest, please make sure you reach to us in the same number. WhatsApp. We'll make sure good scholar now in one of our good episode. Guys, I'm always making sure there is someone on our next chair ngoba le student ngihlele kuso siyashisa ngakhuluma indaba zingapheli. So I make sure ukuthi there's someone okhona phakathi kwethu. Guys, allow me today to welcome. I don't know, I'm too excited today because this is one of our special guests. I think this is our first time to have such guest. Pastor Hlelo, welcome.
Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Yazi uyangiqeda nomushumayela nje like kule accent yakho nje like but by the way, please introduce yourself to our viewers. Who are you? Where are you from?
Okay, ngiyanibingelela nje nonke balaleli. Ligama lami ke ngingumzamo Hlelo ngwakamaseko Sibongo. Ngihlala eSekhunda.
Sure. Khulele phi Pastor Hlelo?
Ngikhulele eSwatini, kahle kahle ngingumswati.
Okay.
Yebo.
Yeah, there's a lot about you and ngifuna siqale isingene phezulu kwendawo. Ngikubuzile ukuthi what should I address you mangik-addressa? Ngik-addressa kanjani and which way you are comfortable? My brother, my sister, how can I address you?
Okay, ithi ke indzaba, you can address me your brother.
Okay.
Why ngisho njalo yingoba mine ngite nenkinga nemuntu lototi unjani bhuti because vele esimeni sami ngingibhuti.
Okay.
But ibese seyihluka kuma feelings.
Okay.
So nalomunye nanoma angathi yebo sawubona sisi ngitawuthi yebo bhuti
Sure.
yingoba yena ubona lesimo ubona simo sasisi so anyhow you are welcome.
You don't mind.
I don't mind.
And what I like about you is that you are open. Like you said, anything you can ask. Why? Because hlelo uma uzalwa ekini they were receiving a son. They were receiving someone who was a brother. They were receiving someone who is he. And today we get uhlelo is changing. And how these things happen? Kwenzeka kanjani and how did it started?
Ithi indzaba angisho melithi live lasmakatse ngakwadu sesesiswini ngakwadu seselihlwili
Sure.
so uNkulunkulu akamdali umuntu ede injongo umdala anenjongo
Sure.
so ithi indzaba ke mine ngathi mengikhula bekude ke umvlogey ke eSwatini noma enzaweni lebe ngihlala kiyo noma esikolweni
you are first person.
lebe ngifunza kiso
Sure.
bekungimi nje kuphela so ithi ke indzaba ekhaya bangamkela ngaleyo ndlela lemangalisako because ngathi nje ngikhula ngidlala vele ngakhula ngiyintombata ngitiva ngiyintombatana esikolweni baze bangetha ligama bathi ngingisel beyond primary
Sure.
so but emangweni ayi bekungasiko mnanzi ngoba bebangibida ngalo lonke lihlobo but ke ngoba isupport ngithole phi ekhaya
Okay.
ayi
Self-beyonds.
yebo
Sure. And how did it started? Uqala kanjani? How those feelings started?
okay ithi indzaba lento ngicale ukuthi discover ngika grade 3 kuthi hayi ngihlukile angifani nalabanye bantwana but ke ngoba ekhaya they know ukuthi mesitala umfana ukhula ende njani udlala ngani kanjani so bengingadlali ngetinto kede bafana bengidlala ngetinto temantfombatana so nabo bebanginika le support ukuthi I know ayi mani ngumfanethu but we believe ukuthi maybe one day injalo ke
Sure.
so ithi ke indzaba yami esikolweni bekuye ukuthi bothishela labanye angeke vele bakuthanze bonke
Okay.
ngoba bayati ukuthi kahle kahle lo utofaka umoya kani akusuwo umoya uNkulunkulu ufuna kuthi veta ukuthi mkhulu kangakanani
Sure.
ngoba ithi indzaba mothatha kubuka angabuki kumuntu angafundiswa ngumuntu kwavele nje kwatendakalela yingakho ngithi uNkulunkulu ukwati usesesibelethweni samake wakho so bebangibita ke nga head teacher ke bathi bengiproducer emagage
Hayibo.
injalo ke indzaba yingani bangibita nga head teacher yingoba mine njengoba bengikutshela ukuthi I am transparent ngiyinqwathi nje lebhaliwe
Sure.
so labanye babo bavele sengasekho eSwatini
Sure.
so uyayibona ke lento kwekuthi kahle umuntu uthi meka sekhaya athi feel kwasa like hey ngathi angisuye umfana man but angakhoni kwamkeleka so kwasekulekha lapho ke kulabanye bantu yes
Then it's where now you are starting decide which age like usifila kanjalo and how do you become ukuthi manje sogcoka amaqopsi sogcoka ikeki like how these things
okay ithi ke indzaba ngiqale ngina 80s ngisaya enkonzweni
Sure.
so lapho ke vele ke bengitibona nje ngingisisi so lo kulenkugqokile ngikuqale senginabo 17 16 so kwase ke qala lapho ke sengifaka lihil lapho sengikhulile
Sure.
but ke ku background bengigqoka nje noma ngayini
Like a man.
like a man but kubonakala lokuthi yebo ugqokise kwemfana kepha kunalento man ngathi akusuye umfana ngoba ebandleni lebengikhonda kilo eSwatini hayi bebangamkela kangangokuba nanoma kwana nami bengisengati discover ukuthi hayibo guys vele ikhona into lekuthiwa injena because ngisesemncane so bengigcoka nje nanoma ngayini so nje injalo but ke lokhu ngikuqale sengikhula khulile.
What interested me uma ngingena ku TikTok, I'm like, yes, ukulesimo kuyiso which you are gay, and now you are holding a mic, you are preaching Christ, ukhuluma ngaJesu, uyakhuluma uyashumayela laphayana. On some of other videos you are singing, and then I was like, no man, as a Gifted Media TV, we really like to, before we judge, let's hear ukuthi like how these things, because kumqoka especially to the Christians that they judge most but they don't ask, they don't find information, they don't go deeper to find how things happened. I know with some of other people, they will watch this podcast and then but yeah, give to you why you allow Uhlelo to come to your podcast and how you allow Uhlelo to sit down naye and you talk even about the gospel of God. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi like Uhlelo, you standing in the pulpit preaching Christ, abantu bathini and how people they accept you as a gay preaching Christ?
Okay, it's inzaba I am born again.
Okay,
Ngitelwe kabusha.
sure.
So ngicela kuqala lekuqaleni ekuthenini ngitelwe kabusha.
Sure.
Ngize ngitalwe kabusha simo sasekhaya besingasiko lesimnanzi. Insinziso ekhaya yaqala ngami.
Sure.
So ithi inzaba ngisahamba kuleyo journey yensinziso akukabi melula because bebangithuka left and right and center. So mebangithuka basho ukuthi hayibo hayi njani nje stabane sithi samukele simakathe.
Sure.
Yebo lithi live lasimakathe laba lebabeka lithemba labo kuye bafananiswa nensaba yaseSiyoni.
Sure.
Ithi inzaba babuka lingephandle lami kepha abalati lingekhathi lami. So nayike lenzaba lele ngifuna kuyisa khona ngima ebandleni ngishumayele ngasimakathe yingoba kunendvo uNkulunkulu layibekile kimi.
Sure.
So lento layibekile kimi kunebantu lengabaphilisa nanoma ngikulesimo lengiso kepha bakhona abantu lebangasinza ngami. Nanoma ngisesimeni lesi nje kepha ke akusiko melula njengoba kungasiko melula kuma epulpit uyi LGBTQI+ community yingoba sesibandlululwe kakhulu sesehlulelwe sihamba ngithi ngihamba nje ngiphuma outside basho ukuthi ayikho lendvo la ikhondako.
Sure.
So injalo nje but gift.
Sure. You have mentioned about that community, LGBTQI+.
Yes.
Please define it for us.
Okay, L uqhaza ukuthi lesbian. So G uqhaza gay.
Okay.
So ongeke lama category anemagama awo. Lo plus uqhaza ukuthi kukhona nalamanye ema category kuyona le gender.
Okay.
So lo community uqhaza ukuthi sisonke nje singumndeni.
Okay.
Kepha asivaleli labanye ngephandle. Injalo nje but gift.
Sure. And then what I wanted to ask is that now we are going to the Bible. What the Bible says about in the situation that you're saying, because this is the most thing maybe that bring judgment. Uma uthi beshumayela bese bathi ayikho lento.
Yeah.
NgokweBhayibheli sithini? How do we define lesi simo okuso?
Angisho ithi inzaba lithi live lasimakathe iSodoma and Gomorrah yaqalekiswa.
Nkosi yami.
So mayiqalekiswa umfati walothi wabuka emuva bebanikwe umyalezo wekuthi bangabuka emuva.
Okay.
Lo yobuka emuva uyoguquka abe luswayi. Ithi ke inzaba athi mekabuka emuva waguquka waba liswayi.
Sure.
Waseke nemyeni wakho uyaqhubeka ngoba bebayaletilwe ukuthi bangabuka emuva. So ilapha ke inzaba if umntwana atelwe agay sifanele kumamkela njengoba anjalo. Yebo livi siyaliva liyasho ukuthi kahle kahle basiqalekiso.
Okay. Umuntu oyigay izwe lithi uqalekisiwe.
Lisho njalo ngoba melikhuluma ngeSodoma and Gomorrah lichaza ukuthi bebalalana babulili bunye. So vele ezaye emgay. Already ngawuhlangana nemfloyman. So kahle kahle msuthi vele livi lithi. Kepha indzaba nayi ke my brother Gift. Ukhona yini umdustbin wekulahla umuntu?
Okay.
Awukho. Mekakhuluma kahle ke simakathe evini lakhe uthi wotani kimi njengoba njalo, come as you are.
Sure.
So mekathi come as you are uchaza ukuthi nanoma uyigay nanoma ustraight woda njengoba unjalo.
Sure.
Ngoba uwamkelekile automatically the more utinikela kusimakathe if uNkulunkulu angibeke kulesimo kusasa angiguqula yingoba kusuke afuna kubonakalisa bukhulu bakhe ukuthi bakhona yebo baphathisiwe futhi imfihlakalo yezulu ngoba ithi indzaba emabandleni sibandlululwa ngoba siphathisiwe.
Sure.
Sinikiwe.
Sure.
LiBhayibheli singaliqala A up to Z but inkinga simo lenkiso nginhlelo. Babuka sona abathathi lokuphuma emlonyeni. Injalo ke
bajonga ukuthi wena uyigay.
Yebo.
Then after that they conclude about that.
Babuka lokho and futhi ke lokumangalisako libandla kanye nebafundisi kanye netingqekukade. Nabo bayajaja. Libaseke liyanqaka ke lendvo ibese seyanqaka. Kuthi uthi wamkele simakathe. Kepha mawamkele lendvo so uyakhona kujaja njani ngoba umehluleli lithi live lasimakathe umehluleli munye. Munye kuphela. Asikanikwa iauthority ukuthi mesibona umuntu aswele sithi ayivele weswele. Asikanikwa iauthority ukuthi mesimbona umuntu ukuthi okay sivele sisho ukuthi hayi vele unjena but umehluleli munye kuphela. Lokubhlungu ke brother Gift ithi indzaba lithi lasimakathe if udela uthando ufananiswa nensimbi lenqenqethako.
Sure.
Why iqhaza luthando bhuti? Yingoba ungashumayela uprofete wende konke uthandazele abantu baphile but meli ngekho lithando ufananiswa nensimbi lenqenqethako. So the more ujudge ubonakala njengemuntu lotela uthando.
Sure.
So usendani ke my brother? Usemelene epulpiti. Usakhona wena khipha emagama emlonyeni wakho ukuthi hayi bani unjena mosivele. Msuthi lithando lapha lukho.
Kanti uthando ufanele kuthande noma uyigay.
Yebo.
Sure. So then I'm asking myself because most of the time you have mentioned that iSodom and Gomorrah it was cursed. And also kuba nento ukuthi this lo moya obugay it's demonic.
Yeah,
it's an evil spirit. How do you agree with that? With lo moya obugay is demonic, and how do you say to people who are saying no, lo moya omubi lo, you need to cast it out, you need to be delivered from that spirit?
Ithi indzaba angati ukuthi yini bantu bafocusa.
Sure.
Ku gender.
Okay.
Bangafocus kubantu lebathengisa ngemtimba. Bafocusa kithi thine be gender only.
Okay.
Bahlulwe kufocusa na
prostitute.
Injalo. Ithi indzaba mina I can say kuthi kuba ke yakusiko kuba lidemon.
Okay.
Njengoba ngiqalile kwekuthi uNkulunkulu wakuhlela wahlala phasi wahlela. So mina ngekwami ngisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuthi bonakalisa kubantu ukuthi lalelani ebantu kahle kahle nisesekhashane nensinziso nisakhona kubandlulula kuthi bobani banjani kanjani kufana nekwekuthi sisese umsebenzi usengentiwa sisesekhashane nokukholwa if utawuma epulpit nje usho ukuthi vele emagay anjani anje ithi ke indzaba if ngigay ngisuthi ngiqhaza ukuthi angiyodla ema drugs if ngigay niqhaza ukuthi angiyothengisa ngemtimba noma ngiyohlala ngibe street kid kani ngiphi indzawo lento balekela kiyo lento duduteka kiyo
Sure. So there is no way if let's say as abantu abaningi they said okay ngoba umoya ubugay. Do you believe ukuthi umoya ubugay can be casted out? Umuntu angashintsha from ubugay ngithi fire and then a shift from ubugay.
Angeke.
Why?
Yingoba ithi indzaba mina baningi bazamile bahlulekile.
Inceku uyi deliverance.
Lalela ngithi baningi bengihamba tindzaba netindzabana my brother.
Okay. Okay.
Ngiwabambe ma fasting at 23 days.
You wanted to cast this out.
Yebo.
Sure.
Why? And futhi nami bese ngitehlulela kwana nami. Ngoba bengithi mengithandaza ngithi hayibo Nkosi bengiqela ukuthi mengabe lesimo lo ngende sona kungasiyo inthando yakho ukukhweshise. Kepha mekuyinthando yakho let your will be done.
Eish.
So akusuye umoya kusuye umoya. Inkinga I lack of knowledge.
Okay.
Silahle I lack of knowledge. Ngithi mengifunza Genesis mengiva lapho khona Jesu adala umuntu uthi asidale umuntu asifute abe ngumfanekiso.
Okay.
So wase ubona Adam ukuthi uthi ngumlekeleli wase ukhipha libhambo kuAdam ulifaka kubani kuEva. So if mina ke ngingihlelo ngitawuthi nje ngitalwe nginesimo sentombatane ngibe ngiyindvodza ngisuthi kumele kwendiweni.
Eish.
Ngumbuto lo yokumele kwendiweni alahle lo yomfana.
Ngoba nakho uyistabane.
Yebo ngithi mina ngithandazelwe left and right and center.
Hayibo.
Ngakhulekelwa.
Fastings.
Yo kude indvo lengayendi.
But baqosha lo moya ubugay.
Bathi bayawuqosha kanami bengitifila kwasa like hayi. No.
No, I can't.
Kani uNkulunkulu ungibekele injongo kulesimo lenkiso. Ufuna kufulfilla umsebenzi wakhe. Lalela why ngithi ufuna kubonakalisa umsebenzi wakhe yingoba thine if ngiye ebandleni ngingaqhini ngiqokuse kwemfana ngistraight ngihleli. Asinikwa indzawo. Asinikwa iposition. Angeke nje bathi ihlelo sitawucela utengembili utokhulekele emabandleni lamanye ngoba bayabona ukuthi hayi man ugcokuse kwemfana but kunalento nje lencane man
ngoba baningi hlelo
lencane nje
yazi usathinta leyo baningi abantu who are in this same spirit but wearing as a man but uyabona ukuthi man igay ke le because lo moya noma ungazama ukufihla like what you are saying I think maybe as in the church we need to start identify baningi amagay emasontweni who are in a worshiping team because it's true with you guys whatever you do no worshiping team vele niyenze west niyahlabelela uma nishumayela niyashumayela and baningi abantu abangajumpisi ukuthi amagay
true
but ubona ukuthi hayi le nceku le igay but asiyekelele for e-comment section you tried to fight this spirit what make you ukuthi uzama ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuyeka lento yobugay
Lokubange lokho yingoba emangweni lebengihlala kuyo bekungasiko melula booty gift ngoba eminyakeni lebengikiyo
okay
bekungameli ukuthi ngigcine ngehlulelwa ngendlela lebeyisimangaliso ngithi mina there is a time la kwaba nesikhathi lapho khona bengivamise kuya kulomnyesisi loqhina kwase salon
okay
kweda a man a whole man yaya khona
sure
angikho yaya kuyosho ukuthi uyati ukuthi lo mfana lokumbona emalips akhe amnyama kathi aqala ukukhotha emagwayegwaye ebantu
hayibo
ngathi mengiqhamuka angatisa lo sisi ngithi hayibo njani nje
uthi dala waqala ukwenzani
kukhotha Tindvo tebantfu labadvuna.
Hayibo.
Ngithi mina hayibo kahle kahle lo bhuti uyayibona yini age lenkiyo.
Sure.
Kuthi seka ngaze akhulume angibandlulule ngendlela lesimangaliso kanje. Ithi ke indzaba hayi ngithi hayi kulungile my sister it's fine.
Sure.
Ngibese ngoba ke lento ye live yaqala kadzeni ngase ngithi lalela ke sisi wami ithi indzaba na Jesu abazange bamfuna bonke wathuka washaywa wendiwa konke abazange bamthanza bonke so nami angeke ngithandwa ngisuyo imali bathi ke ngathi mengiya kugogo ngiyomathi sangithi hayibo gogo na indzaba ithi wathamba emaphoyiseni
ngoba lenzo zithi wena uqala
votsa ithi votsa lalela ngiye emaphoyiseni na 11 years uyafika uthini emaphoyiseni
hayibo
uyothini
sure
so nje hayi yathi ke indzaba ngathi mengifika emaphoyiseni hayi emaphoyisa adlalela lena nawo awathi ukuthi ayisolve njani ngoba ke ngisindisiwe ngabe sesentiyele edvolweni ngathi moyo engcole ngicela ungisothele yena wayenda ngoba lithi live lasimakathi emlonyweni sinikwe emandla ekukhuluma sinikwe ukukhuluma sitikwe simo nanoma ngangisiphi isimo nanoma ngangimaphe emathambo ungakhuluma hlangane eningizimu enyakatho entshonalanga ngaguqa ngase ngisho njalo ukuthi hlanganani mathambo ahlangane mathambo
sure
wabonakala ke uNkulunkulu angisimakade kule yandzawo lebengihlala kiyo ngaloya buti
uphi manje yena lokho kwenzakalani ngaye
tindvo tabe setabamnyama nje kwabe setindvo kwabe se angathi nje kuthi ngayichaza ngithini ngoba kwaba khona lapho khona bekafuna kuta atocela liqolo kimi kwakhanzakala ukuthi angisekho qeleni kwakhe angisekho
sure
uNkulunkulu songibeke ku level ukuthi angisahambi nanoma ngangibani angisakhulumi nanoma ngangibani angisadli noma ngayini
sure
injalo ke my brother
and then this is you are growing esikolweni uyaqeda isikole I believe isikole sosiqedile manje and then when it's coming to relationship wise what's happening ngobudlelwane kwezomathando khona ama ex so abanawo and who you are dating udate abantu abanjani
ayike imedima ke lombuto wakho ke my brother kepha ke as for me mina angathi ukuthi ngingayichaza ngithini yingakho sometimes kuqala bengifila kwangathi hayi ngathi angisuye umuntu man ngoba akwendeki if umfana athuta kimi utongisoma kube nalendvo levukako so ngingasho nje ukuthi kuma relationship ngidlalela kude because kahle kahle injongo yami isekuthenini ngifuna kusave simakatsi ngoba once ngaqala ijourney yekuthandzana into ngiphazamisa angeke ngisakhona kumove uNkulunkulu akhuluma nami so leyo process leyo ngiqabanga ukuthi idzinga ukuthi ngize ngene emshadweni
okay
yebo ke my brother
kuyathembisa yini indaba yomshado and people they are coming to you because you are born again remember you are born again so in other words I'm expecting if you'll tell me ukuthi kunabantu who are inboxing you they should be born again as well ziyeza yini inceke zizocela like
tiningi bayeta and futhi ke lokubhlungu udingqeko bantu abahola emabandla yingakho bengisho ukuthi kahle 98% sifola la kulamadimoni lebasibita ngawo
because they come to you
ngoba bayeta angathi ngababala baningi bang inbox kubo TikTok kubo Facebook nje athi umuntu nyalo mne ngakushada ngibona iwife material la kuwe
kukhuluma ingceko lesi sikhathi
ingceko umuntu lokhuluma ngetilwimi kwendeke into
sure
so injalo
so le ingceko umaziza kuwe when do you think they come with a good spirit or bafuna niyenze sayidini besiphelele lapho or they are kunabantu abahlukahlukile who are coming to you.
Abafuna ukuthi sifihle.
Okay.
Bafuna ukuthi velele baleni. Kepha ke bakhona laba lebabitwa ngema after 9.
Okay.
Labo bafuna info yabo ibese kukhaceleni. Ifihlakale.
Sure.
Nanoma mhlawumbe mina engathi ngiyavuma ngikhonde ebandleni lakilo sikwende lokho lena lakudzingako after meka fike ebandleni ashumayela utawagqeka vele emagage ngoba nayo ukulesimo so angeke vele umuntu agqeke info langekho kuyo why ufaka tandla tonke ku homosexuality why ungekho lapho awubelong lapho asikho nesingo sekwekuthi uze ufake tandla tonke so lele bafaka tandla tonke yingoba bayati ukuthi nabo
bakhona phakathi.
So
when are you going to marry a man or a female?
mina ngizoshada indvodza.
Hayibo.
Yebo.
And then I'm asking myself, how you guys produce a kid? Niyomzala kanjani umntwana? And also sexual, how you guys going to figure out? Phela ngazi lutho mina.
Ithi indzaba ke. As for me, I believe ukuthi njengoba ngithi I am a Christian, liqebo simakatho to land.
Okay.
Yebo singeke mhlawumbe satala abantwana.
Okay.
But liqebo simakatho talifeza. Mhlawumbe angalifeza ngithi siye kuyo adopta. Bantwana labalahliwe noma bantwana labete batali. So I believe ukuthi simakathe licebo lakhe utalenta. Injalo.
And then sexually, what's happening? Phela abazalwana bazi lutho bezothi gay asazi lutho tena. How do you guys going to figure out sexually?
Okay, imetima kakhulu ke le. Hayi seyenyukela. Kepha ke ithi indzaba angisho sibulili bunye. Ayikho lenye indzawo lesingahlangana kiyo. Ngaphandle kwangale ngemuva. Iqaqile nje. I-obvious. So sihlangana lapho and futhi mina ngiba i-top kuba mina ngiba i-bottom kuba ne-top. I-top ke ngumuntu lomdvuna.
Okay.
Loto khona kuhlangana nami. Mina angihlangani naye because I'm a top. Mina kahle kahle ngiyintombi. Ngiyintombatane.
When ubizwa ukuthi i-bottom.
Yebo.
Sure. Also the difference between top and bottom. Ayikuthi niyashintshisana.
No. Sangukuthi njengoba bengikutshela ukuthi kunema category. Kuhlukene.
Sure.
So bakhona labashintsha nako injalo.
What they call them abashintshanayo bona. Because they should be in under something bona babita ngani.
Babitwa ngemavesi.
Okay?
Yebo.
So now we are lapho ukwazi ukuthi nikuyashintshwana.
Vele.
Sure. And then as much usho ukuthi ingceko ziya inboxer in so wena itype yakho kuzoba itype enjani or ukhona umuntu senixoxisana na and ithini process yokuthi wena ushade naloya muntu because you are in the church remember usesontweni kunemthetho esontweni la ukhonza khona uthini umthetho wasesontweni mawuzohlangana nomuntu
ithi indzaba angisho lithi live lasimakathe umshado sibusiso
okay
lesivela kusimakathe so mina I believe ukuthi kujeni lenkiyo I have to make ngabe sekunemuntu lotimisele kujeni ukuthi hayi kule jeni le ngiqela kubambisana nahlelo I have to kubita my bishop Nimatise
Bishop man
mina Bishop wami Bishop Makhathini kanye na Apostle Makhathini
okay
yes so ke I have to kuya kulabo labadzala after ke sengisuka kibo ke ngibo lebatawulungisa babuke basendele ema interview ekwekuthi hayibo babuke ukuthi kahle utawulunga yini lento lesiyipheka ko akajahwa yini kahle so injalo nje
So Bishop Makhathini and Apostle Makhathini they have accepted you like the way you are
angisho ithi indzaba we are the Ark of Joy Christian Ministry so Mercy Ark of Joy Christian Ministry kunema branch kito tonke tinkundla.
Okay.
So mina ngiwase secondary branch. So kule Ark of Joy Christian Ministry silibandla lelamkela lonke ihlobo lemuntu. You are gay, you are lesbian, you are trans, you are bisexual, unjani, you are straight, samkela lonke ihlobo lemuntu. Ngoba kule ministry siyakholela ekuthenini angeke umuntu kuthiwe ugay abese uyalahlwa kumele atati leti ndzaba simakatse kumele ati ukuthi kukhona umlamleli kukhona umsindzisi so sing leyo ministry nje.
So le ministry ka apostle and bishop, I'm asking myself, bishop no. I know this question maybe it was going to be a good question straight kubo. But bona they are in a normally or they also they are let's not say they are normally, they are on the community as well, or bona they are straight as you said.
Hey boyo ingcwele. Uyabona ke mayifika la ibedima kakhulu.
Banjani bona bo bishop benze njani?
I can say ukuthi babelonga kithi kule gender.
Okay.
Yes.
So kubani
kepha ke akusho ukuthi mebabelonga kule gender atikho tinqeku letingabelongi.
Bona sifuna ngiinterested kuba bacalele libandla.
Bona babelonga kule gender.
So umpostoli uyini yena?
Umpostoli indlovukazi ngimake wethu.
Okay. And then he's falling under the gays.
Yebo.
Oh, he's a gay. And then ubishop,
it's our father ungibabe wethu. Yes.
And he's a male as well.
Yes.
Okay. So, that is interesting. Then kuleli bandla leli, because since then they also allow umuntu ogift insizwa nti and to come and attend the church. And how you guys enter like akubi nenkinga ukuthi ngoba nginsizwa ngisisontweni lenu.
Ithi inzaba bhuti gift. Asikhonti uNkulunkulu wemagay.
Okay.
Asikhonti uNkulunkulu wabosibani. Sikhonda uNkulunkulu munye. Sihlanganiswe ma feelings kahle igender. Kahle mesiye enkonzweni kusuke siyokhonda uNkulunkulu. Kuthi wena ungihlelo uyitrans noma uyigay noma uyini lokho akungeni.
Sure.
Sikhonda nje uNkulunkulu sishumayela livi. Lelihlabako livi lelihlaba lehlule. So nje injalo. Angeke ke ngingene kakhulu ukuthi hayi mawufika ungibhuti gift straight sithi akubandlulula no. Asibandlululi silisondvo. We are a Christian. Sima Christian.
Sure. And then they will say we need to be holy. And you said what Sodom and Gomorrah was cursed and we need to be holy. And how you will define ukuthi you are holy. Siyazi ukuthi uyigay but ungcwele uholy. Sisho kanjani ukuthi uholy hlelo, and what is the definition of being holy?
Okay. Ithi inzaba. If sithi ungcwele. Angisho angeke nje sithi ungcwele ube ungakadalwa kabusha. Sithi ungcwele ngoba le jeni kumele itale ekuqaleni niqaleni italwe kabusha.
Okay. And yilo ukutalwa kabusha. Ukutalwa kabusha ukwenzakalani because usitshela abantu kufanele bazalwe ngabusha. But we don't go deeper. What is that? Yini ukuzalwa ngabusha?
Kutalwa kabusha kwamkela. Jesu njengenkosi nemsindisi wempilo yakho.
Okay.
Mosomamkelile njengenkosi nemsindisi yempilo yakho. Kunetinto emaqeleni leti tawubese sethi yasuka automatically.
Okay.
Uyayiva bhuti gift. Kunetinto leti tawubese sethi yapruneka ngoba sowamkele. Wathatha Jesu waba inkosi nemsindisi wempilo yakho.
Sure.
So ke kuleyo jeni ke ubese ke kuba nebantu lebakuholako. Lebagayida ngoba angeke uthi uqetha nje kusinziswa wena ubese nje sekuphelile. No kunebantu lekumele bayiqhube nawe lendlela. So ubutile ukuthi sibona njani ukuthi singcwele
Cause nina nikhesiwe Sodoma naseGomora.
ithi indzaba kude umuntu longekho ngcwele
Okay.
ngoba ngingayithatha ngiyibisele ekuthenini mekathi 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 9 we are the chosen generation.
Yes.
So nathi nanoma sikulesimo siluhlanga lolukhethiwe.
Sure.
So mesiluhlanga lolukhethiwe we are the holy nation.
Sure.
So nathi sisizwe lesingcwele. Lalela phela inhlitiyo yakho if ingavumi ngoba indzaba nenhlitiyo nayo kumele ivume yamkele. Lingahlala lingephandle lingamkeli but inhlitiyo yamkele. So ke angeke vele ube ngcwele ungakamkeli. Injalo.
Sure. So ngamagama okuba ngcwele ukwamkela uJesu.
Uyamamkela uJesu kuba nejeni loyihambako.
Yiphi le jeni oyihambayo?
Ijeni loyihambako sekunetinto longasatendi. Angisho lithi live lasimakathe sifananiswa nesihlahla lesitshalwe ngasemfuleni. So le angisho sihlahla siba nema roots. Ema roots ayanaba. So the more so wamkele simakathe ube sesofana nesihlahla so uyanaba ke manje. So uyaqala lamantu uyawamunya. Injalo ke so ayipheleli ke lapho. Moso ungadli nanoma ngayini. Awusendi noma ngayini. Awusagqoki nanoma ngayini. Awusahambi nanoma nganguphi ngoba sekunenvo lekulawula awusati lawuli wena uyalawulwa.
Interesting. Ukhuluma ngokugqoka. Awusagqoki noma yini.
Yebo.
So wena njengegay kunempahla vele ongasazigqoki.
Mina
ezingekho right.
Yebo.
Izipahla ezinjani?
On my side. Angeke nje. On my side ngoba mina ngithi ngisinzisiwe.
And uligay.
Yebo, on my side angeke nje ungikhanze sengifaka iskate lesishaya la.
Eish.
Hayibo. Angihloniphe lithembeli lasimakathe. Phela lo mtimba lo lithi live lasimakathe lithembeli. So the more sengawufaka info leto veda umtimba wami wonke. Kufananiswa nethi leli thempeli ngiyalingqolisa. So injalo.
So that's the only thing that you can't wear.
Mina vele angeke. On my side.
And what is a sin now? Because kunalento ukuthi abantu benza isono. Yini isono? Yini izinto esibiza ukuthi isono?
Ay. Ithi indzaba angisho Adam na Eva badla sithelo. Mebadla sithelo.
Balalana.
Yebo, isho njalo.
Yeah.
So mebadla leso sithelo kwaqala lapho, kwaqala emuva kubo Adam na Eva. So kahle kahle lenzaba thine sesihamba ngaleya. Ngalesiya sono lesendeka.
Okay.
Emandulo. So ithi ke indzaba sono kuthi ningafuni kulalela inthando yasimakathe. Ngoba ithi indzaba lithi liqiniso loyo naloyo unikwe inzima yekudlala libanga lakhe endleleni.
Sure.
So monikwe inzima yekudlala libanga lakho endleleni sisahamba kuba netingqinamba lesibhekana nato. As for me ngingihlelo ngisahamba endleleni ngidawulingeka. Vele tilingo tibekelwe ukuthi tisive ukuthi emandla kahle kahle siqine kangakanani, how strong we are. So ngisahamba endleleni ngilingeke. Kube nje nalento leto ngitshela ukuthi hey uyabona ke manje ema feelings control athi uyabona ke manje kumele uyodla lesiyasithelo. So lokho kulingeka sengende sono.
Ukazulingeke wena hlelo. Why all of the time uma abazalwane uma bezolingeka abasitsheli ngescenario yabo sebelingekile so that nathi mase singenile siphume all of the time yazi ngingalingeka gift uma ngilingeka ngabona insizwa noma ngabona umuntu wesifazane and then after that kuyimi ngizothi ngibona umuntu wesifazane angisho ukuthi ngalingeka ke salalana bese ngaceda umoya ongcwele wakhuluma ngithi kimi umoya ongcwele ukukhulume sisa why kungaveli ukuthi wena na ulingeka what happened and ulingeka kanjani.
Hey kulingeka kuhlukene booty gift njengoba kuhlukene mina mhlawumbe ngibekise ngingalingeka ngekuthi ngibone na insizwa ayiseyihle ngijule ngithi hayibo kwangathi ngabe uwami
sure
kani naye usemqondweni naye kusengenteke ukhanze ukuthi ukuloyo mqondo wethi hayi lo yamano yathi so the more sengijula kuleyo ndvo sengilingekile automatically
okay
angeke ngijule enveni ngingalingeki nanoma kude lesitabe sikwenda but ngilingekile injalo
akwenze ukuthi nilingeke nikwenze futhi le nto le
kuyendeka
and now you have passed through such things scenarios
ngingasho ukuthi tikhona tilingo leticket abakhona kimi endleleni but ke ngoba kunanembeza uthi mawutifaka kuleso simo ukhanze ukuthi nembeza utawuthi no ungenti but lenye ithi yenda the more lenye ithi yenda vele uyaya
sure wangena kanjalo uhlelo wayenza kanjalo
hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngangena kanjalo indlela nje lengiqhaza ngayo ukuthi kahle kahle vele kuze ulingeke yingoba vele
sure
nengqondo ititshela lokho injalo
so lama feelings okhuluma ngawe ehlelo ukuthi uzizwe unensizwa uzizwe in as much usho ukuthi ubaba ugay uqale wathi wena into yayenza ukuthi ube gay inkinga ama feelings hence you don't mind someone to call you a brother because you are a brother uyinsizwa ngihlene insizwa akithi manje but what is different now ukuthi ama feelings wakho are no longer a brother's feelings but a sister feeling ama feelings omuntu wesifazane kwenzwa kusho ukuthi ukugcoka kwakho they are representing your feelings ufaka ifrontal kuyimanje hle
ithi inzaba kugqoka kwami vele kurepresenta wona kepha kukhona lomunye longeka ayifaka ifrontal ashaya ikhathi abe njengawe nje but gift but my feelings akhe athi ufana nahlelo exactly
sure
uyibottom
ibottom umuntu ozojola nawe usuke ne same situation
ibottom ngumuntu lo tiva angisisi uyayibona Musa lo tiva angilenvo yekuthi hayi ngiyintombatane vele mina
I'm a queen I'm a princess
yebo injalo
sure and then i-top yona
i-top ngubhuti nje abanakeki ke vele bobhuti nje laba
bayifihlile le insizwa
akusiko ukuthi batifihlile simo sabo ngoba ithi inzaba bona akwendeki bakhone kuhlangana nemuntu wesifazane because vele bakhona kuhlangana nemvulo njengami
sure
injalo
so ama-top ushould in other word wena ukuze uyoshada kuzofanele ushade i-top
yebo
afanele ushade i-bottom
angeke sikhona sobabili sibosisi sobabili sinema feelings lafanako
okay naye ubona enye insizwa nawe futhi ubona enye insizwa sure so hlelo maybe just to also sifake la eBhayibhelini naku uyathandaza hlelo you are praying and you are preaching and you are reading the word of God and then ukufike nangumuntu ethi hlelo no man you need to change because I believe ukuthi nabanye kulama comment bazosho ukuthi no uhlelo udinga ukwamukela uJesu uhlelo kunento efunayo ukuthi amukele uJesu and what you will say to those people who think you didn't change you didn't born again ukhuluma ngokuzalwa ngabusha kunabantu abazothi awuzalwanga ngabusha because you are still remaining a gay
ithi inzaba booty gift angisho vele Bandvu batawukhuluma ngendlela lebafuna ngayo.
Okay.
Kepha ke umnikati wako konke nguSimakathe. Nguye lo wathi ukuthi ngize ngimfake kulesimo sekuba gay. Why?
Ufake uNkulunkulu kuleso simo.
Nguye. Obvious. Nguye ngoba ungidale.
Akusathana ukufakile. uNkulunkulu okufakile.
Hayibo, ithi inzaba uNkulunkulu mekadala umuntu.
Sure.
Wathi kuhle. So mina ngingumfanekiso wakhe. So mengingumfanekiso wakhe ngisesibelethweni samake wami. Vele wavele nje wathi ayi nayi ibhomu letawubulala ema-nations and nations. Kepha itawabulala ema-nations and nations
ikulesisimo. Eish.
Ngoba kahle kahle inzaba yethu lana silwa ngebugeyi.
But by the way no right inkinga yakho ukuthi ukulesisimo lesi.
Ngikusimo vele.
And lesimo sikwazi ukusilapha, sikwazi ukudlulisa kuso.
Labanye batawusho ukuthi hayi kuyalapheka kunazibani lo wake wakwenda bakhona abantu lebathi mebabuka. Kuthi ish ngiyafisa manje kufana nahlelo. Baqaba ngekuthi hlelo ukwenda ngoba ufuna ishow off ngani inzaba iqala leqaleni abathi ukuthi ngikhule njani kwende kaleni endleleni kuhambe kanjani so ibe njalo labo uthi vele mawufika nje enqe ku gift uthi umbeka ngegama lika Jesu phuma demon umbone kusasa agqokise kwemfana angafake emazipho angathini loyo muntu loyo kusuke akuhawukele ngoba nyalo sekune attendance yekuthi hayi emagay vela nemali so nami ngifisa kuba gay ngiloba nemali
unayo wena hlela imali
mina ngione ama millions
hayi wena
mina lithi phela live la Simakathe thine si owner ligolide
oh I get you now uona ama millions ngezwi kaNkulunkulu
njalo
hayi abangakutholanga bakuthola uona ama millions ngoba uNkulunkulu uthi wena unesilver negolide
yebo
vele kanti imali nitholaphi nina nabantu abamagame ithatha imali
inzaba uNkulunkulu usibusise ngengqondo meka sibusisa ngengqondo wasibusisa nangetanki njengoba ngila I am a professional hairdresser
okay
so njengoba ngimprofessional hairdresser ngenda invo lengendiwa ngumuntu wesifazane ngetandla ngakha imali
okay
ngetandla tami I can bake inyalo ngiyothengisa la angibi nemahloni ngingema lana ngibeke ligogogo lami leqhina abantu noma ngivule sitolo ngingabi nemahloni uNkulunkulu usinike ingqondo ngoba lisilive la Simakathe sifanele eqela kuye kuthi asiphe kuhlakanipha lokuvela kuye so singilegenda ke Simakathe wavele nje wasipha kuhlakanipha ngoba uya kuye uyoqela injalo
hlelo you pray in tongues
mina I
uyathandaza
kanjani
and those tongues are the tongues of the spirit
ithi inzaba lawo ma tongues aqala ngisesemncane ke
okay
bengilele nagogo wami ngoba bengilala nagogo wami embhedeni siushare so bekagula gogo wami nje kumetima vele so kwakhanzakala ukuthi I am in a war ngisemphini
okay
ya spiritual so kwavakala ngithandaza ngathandaza kangangokuba ngithandaza ephupheni but sengikhuleka automatically ngilele but umlomo kuphuma emagama ngiyakhuleka so kulelo phupho bantu bebagqwele but bayangiatheka hayi uNkulunkulu wasewehlisa ema tongues the more awehlisa automatically ayathi sukela nje ngisawakhuluma hayi bantu bawe left and right and center iyasuka lapho ke inzaba yema tongues and futhi ke ebandleni lebesikhonda kilo hayi ema tongues besingawashayi no
sure
injalo
and then uhlelo you get that you guys you represent yourself a rainbow nisebenzisa ama color we rainbow or most of the time does these colors kunalama watch enokuwafaka kubona amakhala ukuthi hayi man le color le inomoya thizeni lo or this necklace where did that thing like started? Buyaphi lento ukuthi nisebenzise amakhala wama rainbow?
Akusuwo umoya. Ithi indzaba lamakhala lama rainbow. Ayakhuluma.
Okay.
So kusene kwendeka ukhanze ukuthi lekhala lengred mhlawumbe itawukhuluma isho ukuthi hayi ibelonga kule gender le.
Okay.
Uyayibo. So hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe kumoya wekuthi once ugqoke ishort ye rainbow nawe so belonga lapho. Kukhona abantu laba straight le bathi thandzela I rainbow nje. So injalo akusuka umoya.
Sure. And then you know what these colors means.
By the way, angifunje qale manga angikho kiwo kakhulu because lo watiko ngumuntu lo attenda ema events ema pride mostly.
Okay.
Yebo.
And when I attend la pride events.
Ango attend because anginathi. So ukhanze ukuthi ngidawuthi ngiya sengihlangana nebantu lebanathako kani mine akumele ngibe kuleyo position leyo.
Sure. What do you think the church can do, or what the body of Christ can do that you feel they are not doing very well, especially to your community?
Le ngubona konje umtimba wasimakathe lo wendako. Emabandleni asifunwa. So mesingafunwa emabandleni mine ke kwakhona le sekhunda lebengihlala khona kunelibandla nje lebengilithanza kakhulu emoyeni wami but ngase ngiyalimala along the way. So kahle umtimba wasimakathe usesengabi ngumtimba nisesengakahlangani because moto uma ubandlulule kufananiswa nekwekuthi hayi usesengakayamkeli kahle lensinziso. Yebo. So nje bengaqela emabandleni.
Sure.
Kuthi kwangathi bangasamkela njengoba sinjalo.
Sure.
Ngoba we believe ukuthi if usimakathe afuna kungiguqula kuthi ngibe ngumfana ngingihlelo usengakwenda. Ngoba nothing is impossible kusimakathe. Akukho lokumehlulako. So bengiqela nje emabandleni ngoba lokubanga kuthi nyalo kube nema suicide uve kuthi ema LGBTQI+ hayi left and right and center bayatikhunga bentani yingoba kude indzawo lebato kubalekela kiyo ngoba phela indlu yasimakade ngilesibalekela kiyo. Siye ku altar siyovuthisa lo mlilo yebo mine bangangibuka njengesikhulu lesimanti nte.
Sure.
Bona bomile but lesikhulu lesimandi mesisifaka sitawubambisa nemlilo. So asingabandlululwa emabandleni. Asamkeleke sikhathi when the time is right the Lord will make it happen. Sikhathi mesifikile hlelo utawushintsha abe kule simo lesi.
Abe insizwa nsizwa.
Yebo. But mesingakafiki akusho ukuthi sekumele sisale simjaha sisale simehlulela sitawufika sikhathi.
Sure.
Ngoba kude indvo lethe sikhathi.
Then there's these things where we'll say in the church umuntu gay we allow them to come to our churches.
Yebo.
Siyabavumela beze esontweni. Kulesi simo abakuso. And come next uma sebefikile esontweni abaliyeke ipulpit. Mabahlale lapha ezitulweni bangasondeli epulpit bangasondeli ku worshiping team.
Yebo.
Do you think that it's fair enough for you guys since nina uningakashintshi?
Ithi indzaba ayikho indvo lefair. Ayikho angeke ungitshele ukuthi uyingqeke utawuhlalisa hlelo ukuthi angayembila yoshumayela. Hayi uphathisiwe. Kuba kulesimo akusho ukuthi sekumele ngingemi embi kwebantu ngithi uyinkosi uyaphila. Ngimbonile kimahamba nami kuphi nakuphi.
Ufaka amaqoqo.
Yebo. Ngiwafakile nanoma nesketi ngisifakile sihuma senda nje. Ngisho ukuthi hayi umhlengu uyaphila nakuse ngaphila.
Sure.
Yebo. There is no need for ukuthi sibe sesiyabandlulula ngoba
bayalindwa ebandleni ukuthi bashintshe.
The more nisilinza ngde more angeke uNkulunkulu afulfill umsebenzi wakhe. Ngoba phela indzaba the more unginika opportunity ukuthi ngime ku worship team ngithi wehlukile akalinganiswa. uNkulunkulu automatically ngikuleyo worship team if usikhathi sesifikile utawenda umehluko. yebo utawenda umehluko.
Sure. So kufanele wena uworship while you are in a gay. You should worship
Yebo.
while you're a lesbian.
Kumele angisho kusuka sisave uNkulunkulu hayi ukuthi sito save ingqeke usave asimakathe. Sisave lo mnikati lo dala lokungekho kube khona.
Sure.
So the more ngimsave mina is the more atowenda imultiplication kwempilo yami.
Hayi ukuthi mawuseva wena uworshipper ebandleni kutavela
Sengithela
more.
umoya webgay ayikho lento
Vele
leyo.
kusho nje ukuthi masuyoma lapha sekuyovela abantu abaninzi manje abayotalwa uwe because wena umile lapha yana uyaworship uthela lo moya
Lalela,
bandleni.
angabatali. Ithi indzaba ngike ngabitwa nga head teacher lo producer emagay. So ithi indzaba akusiko ukuthi kusuke ngibatele kusuke bebathi valele. Ngoba bayathi ukuthi once ngathi vulela ngitawuhlulelwa up to no percent. So ithi indzaba kulungile abathi vete. Why kumele bangathi vete bemose nathi ukuthi hayi nasibani naye vele ubelonga la kule gender uNkulunkulu kwangathi angangenelela.
Sure. Then we come ukuthi most of the lesbians and gays hello they are in ancestrally gifts. Most of them they are performing ancestrally. Abantu abamagay abantu abaningi babo bayizangoma. Today as we are talking to there are very few who will get ukuthi bazalwane. Even some of them you'll feel ukuthi bazalwane when they are in the funerals baba P2 babekhuluma ukuthi hey lena kodwa igay kodwa liyalazi izwi kaNkulunkulu. So how came ukuthi umoya obugay uhambiselane futhi nomoya futhi wamadlozi?
Awuhambiselani. Ithi indzaba lo lokubanga ukuthi sisale siya emadlotini yingoba ebandleni asifuneki sitawuyapi.
Okay.
Ngiphi indzawo lesitawubalekela kiyo? Sitawuya vele siyohlaba imbuti, sihlabethe inkomo.
Sure.
Njengoba ebandleni asifunwa ngoba sinemoya webudimoni. So loyo moya ke webudimoni awuye kulenye ialtar uyosave khona ngoba ebandleni angifuni yebo akube khona nenkwendako
Sure.
injalo hayi ukuthi umoya webugay uhlangene nemoya wengoma ayikho lento leyo
Sure.
ayikho
So kusho ukuthi in other words when since you are born again are you saying ukuthi abantu abakumoya obungoma they should be delivered from that?
Angeke ngisho njalo why ngingeke ngisho njalo yingoba angeke phela nikhona kuba deliver lapho nibe ningakhona kubamkela endlini yasimakathe injalo nine kwenu lekumele nikwende kuthi nibabeke edvolweni nihlale edvolweni nihlale emthandazweni nithi ngosibonelela kuhlelo hayibo kuqashuke kuthi wele kona automatically ngoba ithi indzaba lo lokubanga ukuthi baye khona le yingoba vele baya even namba ke bangitshela bathi hayi hlelo khamaye shemnkulunkulu ukuphe indvo yekwe ukuthi ungaba nematrasane la ngakanani ngathi lalela la ke my brother ithi indzaba mine ngiwasimakathe if ngiwasimakathe kumele ngidlale injongo yasimakathe so lokubanga ukuthi ngisho lokho yingoba I believe ukuthi simagay singile gender sinikwe emandla we are spiritually gifted tiphiwo tethu sesibese sesiyodlala sesiyo endangale
Komadlozi.
yebo ngoba phela ebandleni asifuneki njengoba nje bongibuta ukuthi if ngingihlelo kumele ngiqale phansi ngingayi worship team kani nginikwe I spiritually gifted ukuthi the more ngithumisa is the more moya ingcola gqwala kulendzawo injalo so vele ngidawo yale ngiyoshaya injalo.
So do you feel ukuthi abantu abakuyisangoma they can let's say because now there's a church ebizwa ukuthi Ark of God.
Ark of Joy.
And it's Ark of
Joy Christian Ministry.
Yes, Ark of Joy Christian Ministry under Bishop Makhathini Apostle Makhathini.
Yebo.
So do you feel ukuthi abantu abaya ezangomeni let's say someone is asking at hey mina ngicabanga ukuthi ngiye ebuhlozini than ukuthi ngize ngapha. Will you advise someone oyigay ukuthi aye enkosini or oy lesbian ukuthi aye enkosini noma aye ebuhlozini and why will you say akaye kuphi not angayi ngapha?
ithi indzaba uthi gift ngingasho ukuthi ngingamatisa ukuthi wota kusimakathe ngoba kusimakathe ayikho imihlatshelo lesiyendako
ngale kwenziwa imihlatshelo
ngale phela vele kumele imbuto ihlabile kumele ingadi iphumile kanti kusimakathe akuphumi ingadi
sure
so ngingam-advise ukuthi uNkulunkulu usengakulekelela because nathi sima Ark of Joy lamahle sikhonda uNkulunkulu lo wenda tintfo letingendiwa abantu
sure
so I believe ukuthi mina umuntu ngingasho ukuthi mfana sekhaya wota kusimakathe njengoba unjalo ayikho inkinga uyile waya wathwasa wayenda iprocess but I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu kukhona la ngakwenda ngawe ngoba unikwela uqobo uphathisiwe
sure so ngamanye amagama mabaye kuyeza ngomeni beze kuNkulunkulu
yebo mabende
why bangayeza ngomeni why bangayeza ngomeni why bangayothwasa
nokubanga ukuthi ngisho njalo yingoba phela umdali munye ngusimakathe
sure
so ithi indzaba mesikhuluma ngebungoma kufana nekwekuthi sikhuluma ngesithixo
hayi wena okay
yebo injalo kusithixo ngoba phela umdali lo sidalile
sure
uNkulunkulu kuphela so usidalele injongo usidalele ipurpose so meka sidalele injongo usidalele ukuthi simdumise so angeke sibese sesiyodumisa lenye info singadumisi yena ngoba kwanaleyo info lesiyoyidumisa nayo iyamlalela injalo ingani isihlahla siyamlalela angeke nje ngikuthatha lesihlahla ngigqobele sona ngithi nasi ubosikhuma sitaphilisa yingoba sidalwe ngubani ngani lesihlahla sukapi ngoba suka kulomnini imandla onke
sure
injalo
so abantu mabayeka amadlozi baye kuNkulunkulu
yebo injalo
hlelo because of time and I will say ukuthi maybe one of the good days we'll have you again and I believe ukuthi uBishop no Apostle Makhathindi are owing me ukuthi bazalwane you know to explain such great and also just to explain this special enga-understand leli bandla le-Ark of Joy ministry ukuthi how did it came how did it formed you know why kunebandla elisona so while thina abanye bathi hey thina siwafuna amagay ebandleni umoya kaSathane umoya but bona they accepted abantu abafana njengawe and bathi ozani nonke asibandlulile uyigay uyilesbian uyini I think this is a other mystery engakaze ngiyibone bengiqala futhi mina bengicala ukubona ibandla eli-accept abantu ababulili
yebo
and they go and minister inside the pulpit on my church don't you dare ngeke iziyenzeke angeke baze bavume esonto lami the way imfundiso yakho ime ngakhona but mina ngi-interested kuleli bandla leni ukuthi how did they allow them babavumele kanjani you know and you guys you also ngiyanibona lapha ku TikTok you worship and nicula ingoma zikaNkuluNkulu anicula ingoma engathi zini uhlelo make bamba imic eshumayela ivangeli ushumayela ivangeli lamampela hayi leli vangeli ukuthi you will doubt maybe it's prosperity ivangeli le ushumayela ivangeli ukuthi umuntu makeze kuJesu umuntu makabe kuJesu umuntu makasindiswe umuntu but ukulesi simo kuso ukulesi simo kuso you are still doing what engicabanga ukuthi you are still preaching the pure gospel kulesi simo okuso but one thing for sure that I want you to conclude with is that what you will say actually to people who's listening to this episode othi mina ngigay and angikhonzi because abantu bayangijudge and also how can people they can reach out to you to your socials as well
mina ngingam-advise ngithi mfana sekhaya kuyaphileka kusimakathe
sure
so yebo ujajiwe wabitwa ngemagama kepha ikhona indzawo longabalekela kiyo yi-Ark of Joy Christian Ministry and futhi ke I believe kwekuthi ngekuta kwakho kusimakathe mhlawumbe nesimo sakho singaguquka nempilo yakho mhlawumbe ingaguquka mhlawumbe empilweni akukuhambeli kahle kepha ngidawuthi nje sonzela kuSimakade sonzela kule altar i-altar lengawo ngoba lithi live laSimakade akawadle mandla omuntu
Sure.
so ngingasho nje kwekuthi bantwana basekhaya hayi wotani kuSimakade kuyaphileka nami I have a lot of testimony endleleni akusiko melula akusiko melula ke kuphuma nje ugqoke kanjena uthi uyokhonda Simakade ngoba batawudibuta ukuthi kanti wena ngimuphi lo nkulunkulu lo yomkhonda uStabane uyayiva lenzaba so ngidawuthi nje mfana nasekhaya lawo magama lawo mawangakuphula umoya akhathalekile bangakushaya ngemagama but emagama awanamatheli kepha vikela inhlitiyo qela Simakade avikele inhlitiyo yakho ngoba inhlitiyo yakho ngiyo leta ukukhulula kiko konke woda nje wena njengoba unjalo so nje Simakade unemiqabango lemihle ngathi so injalo nje ngiloko nje lengingakusho.
And where people can get you on the socials?
Okay ngiyatholakala ke ku TikTok ngihlela umzamo ngwakamaseko so nje lapho ke mongifuna ungakhona kungithola inbox nanoma useLimpopo nanoma useSwatini nanoma ukuphi ngitakunika indzawo lekumele ukuthi uye kiyo kuleyo branch ngoba sinawe ama branch maningi eningizimu enyakatho so nje injalo mphana sekhaya ngiyajabula nje kakhulu.
Sure. Bafowethu sivala kanjalo nomfowethu uhlela uthi mina ngimbize my brother kana nkinga. Uthi akahetheki uma ngithi umfowethu sivala kanjalo nomfoka Maseko ukuthi guys wozani kuJesu impilo isatholakala. Bafowethu I just want to say this, thank you so much for watching and also making sure you follow us, making sure you comment. I know you have a question for Uhlelo. Please drop it down on the comment section. We'll make sure we bring Uhlelo again to ask these questions that you have shared lapho comment section. Please ungayivaleli ngaphandle leyo question ngicela uyifake leyo question. And also mina I'm promising you that I'm going to biza Uhlelo again andivisisi le ndaba yakhe ngizowubiza elinye iKristu sizohlala la phansi anginiyazi ngitume ngani mina. We are going to debate this question, we are going to debate this topic, we are going to make sure ukuthi sizombiza uma singabizanga Uhlelo sizosimthola no bishop no apostle Makhathini uzohlala phansi and get another one or solo babumbatho ngasenani yabo and address this kind of bambatho thena mina ngeke ngize ngilishadise igay angeke ngize ngiwashadisa ama gay so we'll get him ahlale phansi achazele Uhlelo ukuthi why esho kanje. Bafethu asivale njalo yanamhlanje. If you want to be our precious guest, make sure you text us 0630680959. Asikhanganeni ku episode elandelayo. Amen. Ungazibulali saphelele sonke. Mfowethu, dadwethu, amehla akagcwele inyembezi. Ameva ohlangabezene nawo empilweni, ahlabile wafinyelela enhlizweni. Miningi imibuzo onayo engqondweni. Bona usaphilelani emhlabeni. Imihla namalanga kuvela okube esigebeni. Labo bathembile baphelele emathuneni. Inkingo nazo siphunyukile esifubeni. Akekho ongazezweni. Uthulele bezidla ngaze ematafuleni. Ubukholwa kodwa kusathandazeki. Ngisho nesenkonzweni usile kodwa kusakhonzeki. Ngisho isimo sakho asabhekeki. Ithemba ubunalo lihlakazekile, imicabango yakho iphazamisekile, amaphupho akho adukile, usuphila impilo ongayithandile, imisamo yonke uyivakashelile, imali igcina iphelile kodwa akukho kulungile.